Versatile dual-function fabrication table is ideal when cutting, grinding or polishing an already cut-to-size piece. Rubber tires with locking brakes protect floor surfaces and increase ease of motion. 4 leveling posts for added stability. Serves as a work table in the horizontal position, and as a slab dolly in the vertical position. The tabletop is adjustable for different sloping position. With 4 adjustable leveling posts for stability and removable center braces for convenience when working with sinkhole cutouts. Tabletop is lined with wood to protect workpieces.